Hello everyone, it's good to see you here, and today we will talk about the first airdrop on Stellar. We have already created a video about it long ago, but more details has been out for it and we know exactly how to participate in this particular airdrop. So we will be talking about it in detail about this airdrop, and this is actually the kind of airdrop that we should hunt for, not the ones where we hunt for the points and we never get the airdrop. So I'm not talking about Solana, by the way. So let's get into the video without wasting any further amount of time. So for this airdrop we will be using Lobster wallet and Lobster signer extension. And if you don't know what Lobster wallet is, you can check out the whole tutorial of Lobster wallet on our channel itself, and we can use other wallets as well. We will check them out as we explore this particular airdrop, but in this video we will use the Lobster wallet and the extension of Lobster on the browser. So this airdrop is given by the Phoenix Defi Hub and you have 2 months to farm it. So this will be starting from 7th May till 7th of July. So you can participate in it anytime, but you won't be getting whole of your airdrop right away. In order to avoid the sell-off of their native cryptocurrency, they would be giving this airdrop till 7th of January 2025. And it is completely fine since their project is quite strong and they will be coming up with some more developments on Phoenix Defi Hub like the NFT marketplace, and the price has already increased from 20 cents to almost $1, and it is right above $1 right now. So with more developments coming in, price will increase even further, so that's not a problem. And in order to participate in this airdrop, you would have to provide liquidity and then stake it, and we will see exactly how we can do it. Now when we check out their another announcement about the airdrop, we can check out that they will be paying this particular rewards on weekly basis, and the rewards will be receiving to us on Tuesdays, and after 2 months, which is the airdrop period, after that you would be receiving the rewards on daily basis. But the catch is that the airdrop is the amount of liquidity that you will be providing and the APR that you would be getting, the same amount of APR would be provided by the team to you. So this way you would be getting double rewards. Now for this, simply open up the official website of Phoenix Defi Hub. I will be providing a link in the description so you can check out yourself. And here you would have to click on this option of launch app. Let me disconnect it so you know exactly how to connect it all. So here when we click on connect option, we get 3 different options: Freighter, Xbull and Lobster. So we will be using the Lobster option, and here you would require Lobster wallet extension. First you need to connect your Lobster wallet extension with your Lobster on your mobile device in order to perform all the tasks on Phoenix Defi Hub. After connecting your Lobster wallet with the wallet extension, you would be able to see the connections over here. Now all the activities that you will do on the DeFi Hub, you would be getting the signer request on your mobile device on your Lobster application, and you would have to perform either reject it or accept it, and this way you would be able to perform the task. And as for the other wallets like Freighter or the Xbull, you would be able to do it all on the web browser itself. You won't require the wallet on your mobile device as far as I have understood. And there might be some problems for the iOS device users out there. The DeFi Hub or the Phoenix DeFi Hub team is working on that. So just have some patience and you would be working quite fine with the DeFi Hub on the browser, and everything would be working quite fine as well for the iOS device. Now after connecting your wallet, just simply select the option of Lobster here and click on continue. This way you would be getting this particular connection request. Simply select the wallet. Since iOS is not working, I have connected with Android to my Android phone, and just simply click on connect. After that you would be able to connect it. Here on the dashboard you would be able to see the price. It was just 20 cents just 2 days ago, and now it is over $1. Now in order to participate in the airdrop, you would have to provide liquidity, and since there are 3 pools as of now, the first pool is XLM and USDC, second one is XLM and PHO, third one is PHO and USDC. PHO is the native currency of Phoenix Defi Hub. Now in order to participate, we require both of these currencies in our wallet. to provide the liquidity. We might be having XLM and USDC, but for PHO, you would require to swap it on the DeFi Hub, and it is better that you swap it up on the Phoenix DeFi Hub instead of any other wallet or on your wallet. Because of the liquidity issues, you would be getting better prices on the swap on the DeFi Hub, and this was observed by me when I was doing the swaps. So you can also check out and just do the swaps wherever you are getting the better prices. So in order to swap, you just have to select the option of swap over here, then select the XLM or USDC that you have in your wallet. At the bottom, select PHO, then type the amount of crypto that you want to convert to PHO. For the first time, you would require to add the trust line, and it would ask you to add the trust line, as it is quite necessary to add trust lines in the Stellar ecosystem. Now, for that, just simply click on add trust line, and it would be giving you the request. Just accept it and you would be able to add the trust line. It is quite easy. After that, you would be able to see the option of swap. Now simply swap it, click on swap. Let me reduce the number since I don't have that much of liquidity in my wallet. So as soon as I click on this option of swap, I would be getting this particular signer request in my Lobster wallet. I need to just confirm it, and after that my XLM would be converted into PHO, and this is as simple as that. Now I'm just rejecting it for now. So this is how you would be able to swap your XLM or USDC to PHO. After converting it into the PHO, make sure that you have the same amount of the other asset in order to provide the liquidity. After that, just hit up to the pools section, and here suppose I want to participate in the XLM and PHO pool, so I will just simply select the details of it, and here at the right hand side panel, when I scroll down a little bit, I would be able to see the XLM and PHO. Simply type the amount that you want to provide as liquidity and click on this option of add liquidity, and this way you would be getting the PXST points, and you would also be able to see your available PXST points here. Just simply type the amount of PXST points that you want to stake, and you can also select it by clicking on any of the percentage over here and click on stake. You would be getting the signer request on your wallet for it to confirm. Just confirm it, and after that you would be able to see your share of liquidity over here, and this is how it would be working. Make sure that you stake your liquidity in order to earn the APR, otherwise you won't be earning the APR for your liquidity. So after providing liquidity, make sure to stake that liquidity up in order to earn the rewards and the airdrop. So this is how you would be getting the airdrop. Also, after having the conversation with one of the core members of Phoenix DeFi Hub, I have come to know that all the activities that you will be doing on Twitter or X for the Phoenix DeFi Hub, like retweets or tweeting about them, you would be getting some kind of PHO or the native currency from them, and they are typing up or writing all these things in their records. I don't know how they are going to give the airdrop for it though, because they are not recording your wallet addresses this way. So I still need to clear that up from the team, and this is how you would be able to participate in the airdrops, and it is only for 2 months. After that, there will be regular rewards on daily basis. So this was all about the airdrop part. Now you can just simply explore the platform and enjoy it, and the NFT marketplace of Phoenix DeFi Hub should be coming up in future as well, and where you would be able to utilize the PHO token in a better way, and there would be more use cases to it. So I hope this particular video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. See you in the next video.